It's funny.
That is just what the things Charles can do. They are very mean, tough dudes, and they're not human. Can't actually think of any strange sightings with Charles. They make a big difference to your life. Goodbye for now. Cole. Oh, it comes with 999. Cole. We do not have a phone number because you just send an email to Army Mad Guy on YouTube profile. About us with a video of what's happening to you. Job watch. This will make a big difference in your life. Really, it helped me.